So these are the wings.
Yeah.
And back here, these are control surfaces. They're the flaps and the ailerons. The ailerons let the airplane do this.
Yeah, turn.
Okay. This is the vertical stabilizer and the horizontal stabilizers.
Which one is the horizontal stabilizer?
This one right here.
Is this the horizontal stabilizer?
Yep, that's what we're working on right now. The vertical stabilizer is laying on the ground back there.
I think you just put it, the part when I showed you the broken part of my little Cessna on the video.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
This piece right here, see that line?
Yeah.
So that's that very back piece there on the vertical stabilizer is the rudder. It makes the airplane do this.
What is this?
That's what, when you're going down the runway and you're wanting to turn this way and you're turning back that way, that's using the rudder.
But what is this?
That's the propeller.
What does it do?
That's what spins around and pulls the airplane through the air.
Oh.
Okay, and then one more. See these surfaces right here?
Yeah, there are another flaps. They're more
They're the elevators. They're what causes the airplane to do this.
stall?
Well, only if you get too fast or too slow going like this. But they adjust your pitch attitude. Oh, don't lose that piece.
I see it. I just dropped it on this wooden step.
So do you remember all that?
Yeah, like this is... I forgot already.
That's okay.
Is the airplane we're making going to be a Cessna?
Nope, it's an RV-10.
What's an RV? Oh, that's when you climb on the wing and then open the top and then you climb in.
Well, kind of. There's an airplane at the airport right now that's like that. It's called a Grumman Traveler. That blue plane?
Oh yeah, the all blue plane. And I also have a plane that looks like that, but it's blue and brown and like white.
That is a Piper Cherokee. There's so many airplanes out there, huh?
Yeah.